Did you know you can generate SMS and email copy inside of HighLevel's Content AI? And you can do all of this in just a few seconds. And you don't have to do it in a way where you're spending hours writing the perfect prompt, which takes more time than if you actually just did it manually. I'm talking about actually writing the email or SMS in just a few seconds, and it's sounding like your brand's voice. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and get the most out of it. So you're going to hop inside your HighLevel sub account. In this instance, I want to do it for my email. So I'm going to come down here to marketing, then up to emails, and then I want to create a new campaign. I'm going to create one from scratch. So I'm going to click on blank. And then for this instance, I'm going to click on the plain text editor. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to the actual editor itself, where you can give it a name at the top. And then just below that to the right, you'll see a little button that says AI. Once you click on that, you'll have the option to generate with AI. So I'm going to click on that too. And you'll see over here, you can use the brand voice. The brand voice is like the personality of your brand, where you feed it some information like frequently asked questions or your website, and it will automatically go and web crawl the entire site and build the prompt for you. So if you want to use your brand voice, then come over here, toggle on use brand voice, and then select the brand voice that you have created. If you do not have a brand voice already created, you'll see a prompt over here that you can click to then go ahead and create your brand voice. In this case, I have one titled HighLevel. If I click on preview, this is what it looks like. But it has some business information, location information, and then the brand communication and personality. If I keep scrolling, you'll see the brand identity, and all of this can be adjusted to fit your specific needs. So I'm happy with my brand voice. And what this means is that the email will be generated using the brand voice in conjunction with the topic that you're going to give it. This is so that the email can sound like your brand. All right, if I come down here, I can select the context. In this case, I want it to be an introduction, and I want the content title to be how AI can write your emails in seconds. Then over here, I can provide a brief description, which I'll just say, speak about how AI can write email and SMS in just seconds without needing to spend hours writing the perfect prompt, or while sounding like your brand's voice. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to come down, and if I would like to add any keywords, I can select the keywords over here, select the writing tone. Maybe I want it to be a bit witty, and then select the number of variations. Let's say I just want one variation. And then below that, I want to select the length of the content. I'm going to leave the length as small for now, but I can choose between medium, large, or a custom length up to 900 words. I'm going to come up here and add a keyword actually, and just say AI, and then come down and click generate. And in just a few seconds, my email has now been created, sounding like my brand's voice, as well as in this case, sounding a bit witty. This email will be an introduction email and speaking about how AI can write your SMSs and emails in just seconds. So naturally, that's going to be the content of this email. If I'm happy with this content, I can come down here and click on continue. And just like that, the email will be populated into the editor. From here, I can come up to send or schedule, and then send the email off to the contacts. And there we go. We created an email in just a few seconds using HighLevel's AI content feature. It's an amazing way to get more emails out to your list without having to spend hours writing them. And the same principle goes for the SMSs. My name is Ben, and as always, thanks for watching.